Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that. Anyways, tuning in today, we are still working on the garage light. Surprise, surprise. Yesterday I planned on finishing this whole floor, and we almost got there. So we got all the lights hanging, and the last 3 right here that are not done. So there's 3 left to wire right there. Got everything else done except for these 2. That one, this one right here where the wire's at. Not sure which fixture type that is, the P or the PD, because it's labeled twice on the print, so I'm probably gonna skip it, but I'm guessing it's a PD. And then the other one right here, where is it? The other one right here, right there is, the box is going the wrong direction and the light shows it going this way, so can't really do anything about that, so I might just end up switching that, but then we'll have to pipe out of one of these boxes into that light to bring the power in. But other than that, got everything else done. So yesterday we were somewhere around in here, so I'll show you everything that we got done. So Nick was hanging lights again, mounting them to the ceiling like you saw over there in that corner, and then I was going around making them up, putting the end caps on, wrapping the lights in plastic to keep them clean so they don't get all dirty. So started out, wrapped that one in the morning, and then or was it that one? I don't remember. I think it was that one I had to wrap with plastic. Check that one to make sure it was straight, and then went around to these ones. That one, and then all these on this side, that one right there, that one right there, these ones, all these on the ceiling. So anyways, finish the rest of those. So I'll finish those other 3 in the morning, and then probably, assuming we will also pull the wire between those last 2 or 3 boxes down here. Same on the other side, pulled the wire at the exit stairwell door. But anyways, tomorrow we will head down the ramp. Once we finish these 3 over here, we're probably gonna leave those 2 because can't do anything about those right now without further detail that I don't have. So we'll be heading down the ramp. There's like 8 lights on the first floor ramp right here, I believe. So I can't see anything right now, but anyways, there's 2 here, I don't know, 2, and then another 2 down there or something. So anyways, that should wrap up today's video. Gonna go grab my lunch box. But anyways, I should do it. There's one there, so there's 2 sets going down. I can't really see anything else, but I'm gonna head down the ramp, grab my lunch box and my coat, head home. Thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. Today was a lot better than I thought, and went a lot smoother as well. Getting better with these lights, not as intense as yesterday, and figuring out how to do them better. So there's my lights right there. Anyways, that should do it guys. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Have an awesome rest of your day. God bless. Check the description for anything else. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit like and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. God bless, and everything else, notification bell, all that good stuff. Thanks guys, peace. And I just want to give a huge shout out to all those who have been tuning in recently. I think Monday was the highest view count in a day on my YouTube, which was over 1,900 views, and then yesterday was pretty high as well. Probably, I haven't checked it yet, but it's probably at least 1750 to 1850. So I just want to give a shout out to everyone who's been stopping by and watching the videos. I really appreciate it. The channel growth is still going and still getting these subscribers every day, so I appreciate it if you are new, and to all those who continue to come back every single day, appreciate it, and bigger and better things coming. Thanks guys, peace.